Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make shapes in CSS. The first thing you need to do is make div tags. Div tags usually act as a container, but they don't need to. They can also act as shapes. So here we need to specify the background color to whatever you want. And again, you can just drag it around if you have code in like this. I think I might stay that one. And then you write the height and the width. I might make it quite a big height and quite a big width so you can see. Width 100px. Now as you can see, that gives us a square. But we want to do way more than that. Well, one thing is it's called the border radius. There. It adds a curve to the sides. Yeah, you might not be able to see the curve, but now you can. And in fact, you can actually do it to separate parts. If you split it up into 4 bits, the first bit there, then there, then there, then there. And I've got proof. 10px, 30px, 50px, 70px. See? It has none on there, some on there, even more on here, and a lot on there. I might change that to 60. Yeah, see, now you can see. But we want to go even more than that. So how can we? Well, from here, there's basically one thing. It's called clip path. Clip path. Now, you might wonder what this is. It can basically change your shape into almost everything, unless if it has a mixture of lines and curves. And for curves, you can use the border radius. Anyway, to figure out this, I might just make this one better. We can look at a clip path generator. Where should we hang on? Maybe I'll just use there. That's the one I like to use. But you don't have to use this one. There are so many. Dude, this one has so many, so that's why I like it. Besides, there's even a custom one. Anyway, how does this work? Well, once you've got a clip path generator, then you can clip any shape you want. I would like custom polygon because then you can put so much dots. Then at the end you copy this bit and then change it to then. And then, if I'm correct, there should be a finish, and then now I can change the points. So I can make any weird shape I want. And then just copy the thing down below and paste it. Paste. See? It changes. Magic. That is how you can make practically anything. And even if you look at this, it looks like it has a curve. Pretty impressive. Though if you want to stretch it out, it won't affect the clip path, which is the good thing. Look at this. If I stretch it out, the clip path still keeps its shape, just stretched out. So yeah, that's actually 200 pixels. Anyway, that is basically how to make almost everything. But if you want to make one of a mixture of them, well, first, if I'm correct, you can't do circles. But I have a good feel you can do circles. So you can do this. And you can also do that. Or if you want to add some sort of curve to a square or something, just use inset. I have a good feeling that it worked once. If I can just get it to work. Okay, well, I can't get it currently, but I know it does work. You can also, there's even a frame, which you can add a frame in the middle. So that's all I'm going to show today. I like to use Clippy for mine, but you don't have to. I just like it. So, and you can even change it to an oval. Have a look at that. And you can increase it and make it a slim oval. You can, there. See? That's basically all you need to know for creating any shape you want. I've even made an animation with it. You want to have a look? First, I'll save the code. Go to my code bits. Look at this. Oh, look. But I can make it faster. In fact, I think I would want to. Too slow. Anyway, if you want to do animations, you can continue. Or else, you should probably stop this. Animations are actually really easy. What do you need to do? Well, to create advanced ones might take some time, but trust me, it's worth it. So, let's get rid of all of this, even though I kind of like it. Okay, so you can, if you want, add a div, and then using pseudo selectors, you can either write .hover or active. Hover means when the mouse is hovering over it. Active is when the user is clicking it. In this case, how about we do hover? So, then you write animation name. You can write whatever you want. You also need to specify an animation duration, which I might need 1 second. And all other functions of the animation I'll explain in another video. For this one, we're keeping the animation simple. Then we put at keyframes, the animation name, and then inside here we can write from whatever it is at the start, but you can just keep it the same. I'll keep it from the original version. Then 2, and then you can write whatever you want in here. I might change the height and the width. Height 300 px. Width 300 px. And we might want to change that back to 100. I might have a fail here, but let's just see. See, it's good. But one problem, I'll only explain one animation function here, is that it does that, but it doesn't repeat it. Animation iteration count. Wait, no, not timing function. There. This one tells how much you do. You can write infinite, which makes it happen all over, or you can write a number. Let's just say 5.